This is the standing position. Body is held in upright position and weight is supported on the feet. Now, movement requires to attain this position or to maintain this position. Both the heels are placed in a same frontal plane and slightly apart. Feet from right angle or around 70 degree with each other. Both the knees are fully extended and both the hips are extended and slightly lateral rotation. Trunk held in an erect position. Both the shoulders are lowered and slightly retracted. Both the arms held close to the sides and with slightly extended elbows, wrist and hand joints and palms against the thighs. Head and neck must kept straight with chin slightly tucked in and eyes look forward. Now the muscle work to maintain this position. Posterior neck muscle, because the LOG for head falls anterior to cervical spine. Spinal extensors, because the LOG for trunk combined falls anterior to spine. Posterior shoulder muscle, such as the trapezius, latissimus dorsi and the rhomboids to hold the shoulder down and retracted. Extensor of the hip, working to maintain hip extension. Hip lateral rotator, keep the hip in a slight lateral rotation. Ankle plantar flexion and the dorsiflexors are working to keep ankle in a neutral position, and intrinsic muscles of feet work to stabilize the feet. Effect and uses of this position. At the base is relatively small and the center of gravity is high. The state of equilibrium of the body is relatively less stable than the other fundamental position. So therefore the standing position is only suitable as a starting position for the exercise for those who can maintain it correctly, and the muscle work is minimal when the perfect balance is achieved. Therefore practice is in attaining and holding the satisfactory pattern of the standing posture to reduce the fatigue and also condition the postural reflex. The erect position of the whole body is the position of the alertness in which the thorax is free and the abdominal viscera are well supported. It is the associated with the feeling of joy and the efficiency, and the fact which is demonstrated and recognized in the drama and the dance.